Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 10 most important productivity apps that you should have in your system. You can basically download these applications from the Microsoft Store itself. All the applications that I'll be showing you is available in there. Okay, this is my store here. You can see, let me just open that. So here, whatever application you will search, like whatever I'm going to tell you will be available here. Okay, so let me just make this full screen. This is the UI of the Microsoft Store, you can see. So here you can basically search for the application and then install it from here, okay? So the first application that I'm going to show you is called ShareX, okay? ShareX is basically an application to take screenshots or record a screen, okay? And it can do many more things. But there is also a Windows installed, or you can say inbuilt screenshot taking application. Like it is not an application, or you can say it is a shortcut that you can use to take screenshots. Okay, like if you want to take a full screen snapshot from the Windows screen, then you can simply use the keyboard shortcut that is Windows, like the Windows key and then print screen option. That will take a snapshot of the whole screen. But to record a video or take a snapshot of a particular area, there is another shortcut which is Windows Shift and then S. Okay, so when I click that, you can see over here these are small options showing over here. If I want to take a snapshot of a certain area, I will select this and then I can take like this. Okay, here you can see it has taken the screenshot. Okay, but these screenshots are not saved in a particular folder or something like that. You can use this screenshot by like pasting it in somewhere. Okay, like let me just show you, then you will be able to understand better. If I just open this notebook from here, OneNote, and here if I just type Control V, you can see the screenshot is pasted over here. Okay, so this is how you can use that, but there will be no folder where all these screenshots is saved. Okay, that's why I do not like to use this. But if you want to take a screenshot of the whole screen, then you can use this Windows key and then print screen. But with that option also, you cannot take like screenshot of a particular area. It will take whole screen screenshot. Okay, so this is where this ShareX comes in handy. So you can see if I search here ShareX and click enter, this is the application you can use. Okay, so this is free. You do not need to buy or something like that. It is totally free. So if I just click on click on this application icon, it will take me to this page. Here you will get this option, like it will show you get this, like this option it will be shown to you. Okay, so simply click on that, it will start downloading it, and after it's downloaded you can simply click here. It will like there will be an option called open, and you can click on that, or even you can go to this application menu, like the start menu. There you can type it and it will find the application there. Okay, so this is showing get in my case because I did not download this application from this Microsoft Store. I downloaded from the browser. I downloaded the exe file, and from there I just installed it. Okay, I'm using this application like long way back. Okay, so that is why it is not like I did not install it from here, but you can install it from here. I've already installed this application, so I can show you the application. You can see in this taskbar, this is the icon, so I'll just click on that. Here you can see this is the UI of this ShareX application. Let me make this full screen. So here you can see these are all the thumbnails it is showing, like whatever screenshots I have taken, those thumbnails are showing over here. Okay, so you can just delete this as well. Like if I just click Control and then select an item here, and then click delete, it will delete that. Okay, so I can delete everything like this, like Control and select all the items from here like this, and after that click delete. And note one thing, like this will not delete the saved screenshot in your local folder. Okay, like it will only delete this thumbnail that was showing over here. Okay, now here you can see this is the default. It shows like these are the shortcut keys you can use to take screenshots. Okay, so here you can see the first option or the first hotkey is control print screen. It will basically allow you to take screenshot of a particular region. Okay, like here you can see in the description, it is saying capture region. And suppose you want to take screenshot of the whole screen, that time you can use only print screen option from the keyboard and it will take the snapshot of the whole screen. Okay. Also, there are other options also here you can see. If you want to take a screenshot of a active window, then you can use this shortcut, that is Alt Print Screen. Okay, it will capture active window. Okay. And suppose you want to record your screen, that time also you can use this shortcut, that is Shift and then Print Screen. Okay. And like if you want to record your screen and you want that recording to be in GIF format, then you can use this shortcut, that is Control Shift and Print Screen. Okay. So these are the shortcuts you can use. Like if you forget these shortcuts, you can simply like delete all the thumbnails that I showed you and it will appear like this. Okay. Now let me show you an example that will be easier for you. So let me just minimize this and I'm opening this windows like my desktop screen now. Suppose if I want to take snapshots of certain area, like suppose I want to take snapshot of this part, okay, then what I can do is I'll simply click control and then print screen. Okay. So now here you can see this showing this plus sign over here and I can move it anywhere, like anywhere I can click and drag. If I want to take screenshot of this area, then what can I do is I'll simply do like this. It will take screenshot of this area only and not the full screen. Okay. And if I just release my drag, you will see it will show this one. Okay. I have set this, this settings, like whenever I will take screenshot, it should show this window here. I can do whatever action I want to do from here. And this is the preview of the screenshot you can see here. It captured my mouse arrow or the pointer also you can see. And also I can rename my file over here. Let me just give it test and I'll write SS of region. Okay. And I can save this, like I can click continue here or I can do any other actions if I want to do. I'll skip that for now and click on continue. Here you can see it will show this preview once it is saved and it is showing the path also. Here you can see I'm hovering this like hovering over this image, that is why it is still on. But if I just move my arrow or you can see this hand icon, then it will go away. Okay, like if I see, you can see here it gone. Okay, and where you can find this, I already told you that there was showing a path, right? So you can go to that path and find all your screenshots saved there. Okay, I'll just show you where it is saved in my case. I'll open my file explorer here and I'll show it to you. So here you can see it is saved in my C drive. And inside C drive, there is this users folder. So inside this users folder, inside my name, here you will find a documents folder. Okay, let me just show you this one. Okay, or you can directly open documents from here as well. You can see the path here. It is the same path. I'll just open this documents folder. Inside this, you will see this ShareX folder created over here. Okay, if I just click on it and open it, you will see there is another folder called screenshots. You need to open this and all the screenshots will be saved inside this. Okay, whatever screenshots I've taken so far, it's saved over here. Okay, this is how you can use this application. It is very handy and it's very useful. And there are multiple options. You can check them out. You can see from here. Like these are the settings here. So here you can see, like you can set your after actions, like after capture what you want to do. So you can like click this, like after capture task. So if I just click on this, you can see these are all the options that is available to me, and the ones that are highlighted in bold, that options are selected in my case. Okay, like if I want to perform some actions, like I showed you that dialog box, right? Like when I took the screenshot, it basically showed or popped up that dialog box where these options were showing. Okay, and inside that you have noticed that there some options had tick mark beside it, right? So those are the options which are highlighted in this bold over here. Okay. Similarly, there is another option here, like you can upload your whatever images you want in your cloud, and there are like destination as well, like where you want to upload it, and all these things are available here. Then you can set your application here, like you can do settings for your application, like what you want to do, general settings here, and there are many other settings. You can go through them and see what it does. And you can see the history here also. Let me just close this. You can see the history from here, like whatever screenshots you've taken so far, all is present over here, okay? And it will show you the preview over here. So if I just click on this, you can see it is showing the preview. Okay, that way you can see whatever images are present. You can delete them as well, or you can keep it like that, or you can preview them as well. Okay, let me just close this. You can also set hotkeys for certain thing. You can see like by default this capture screen is print, like control print screen. You can change this as well, like I already kept it as it is, so you can change it on your own whatever you like. Then you can add certain hotkeys, like if I click on this add option, it will like add this and show up this dialog box, so you can see whatever you want to do and you can do it. Then you can see here there is an option called OCR also. Like OCR, what it does basically is, full form of OCR is optical character recognition. What it does is you can like it basically scans a document. Okay, like it basically, suppose there is a physical document and you want to take a picture of it and you want to scan it. You can use this hotkey and you can basically take a picture and then scan it also. Okay, so this is what this does. You can set hotkey for that as well. It will basically access your webcam and then it will like take the picture and then scan it. Okay, this is what it does. There are many options here. You can just go through them and do hit and trial whatever you want to do. And now let's just move to the next application. I'll just close this. Next application is Drawboard PDF. Okay, let me just open the store here. So Drawboard PDF is basically used to annotate, okay, like annotate PDF files. Okay, let me just show it to you here. If I type here Drawboard PDF, click enter. So here you will see the icon. It will show up within few seconds. So this is the icon you can see here. So I've already installed this. That is why it is showing open here. So let me just open this first. From here you will get, like, instead of open it will be showing get, like get it or something like that. You'll have to just click on that and install this application. This is basically useful when you want to like annotate PDF files. Like suppose if you are giving any presentation or teaching in a online class, that time this PDF annotation is very important, right? It becomes very important to annotate your PDF. But PDF softwares like Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat readers, those are like you can get certain features. Okay, like all the features will not get. To get all the features, you'll have to pay, and like then you'll get them. But in this case, it is all free. So let me just show you the application here. This is the Drawboard PDF icon on my taskbar. You can see. Let me just open that. The first time it will show like this. It will show some tips and tricks, and then it will just open. So here you can see it is saying like to reduce this loading time, you can just close all the files that are open here. That way you can load this application faster. Okay. So you can see already one file is opened in my application here. So that is why it took few seconds to open up. So now let me just maximize the screen and show it to you. So this is the PDF. Okay, like this is an example PDF. What I can do is, these are the menu you can see here. These are all the options you can use. And here you can see there is a small plus icon over here. Using this you can add few other options in this like in this bar. Okay, so here you can see these are all the options that are available to you. Like you can use a pen marker, then there is a highlighter, eraser, text highlight, then text underline. There are many other options from here you can add in this shortcut menu over here. And some tools, these are the pro tools you can see over here. These are not so much necessary. Maximum things which you will be needing is available to you here. So here you can see like what the teacher need. Teacher needs highlighter, a pen, and an eraser, right? Or teacher can need a text highlighter as well, right? Or if you want to give a presentation, that time arrows, then triangles and shapes are important. So that time you can use these things. Okay, let me just show you like how to use them. To use this, I'll have to just click on these icons that are present over here. Okay, so I'll just click on this pen icon here, and after that I'll just write it over here. So here you can see it is annotating my PDF, but you can see the marker is very thick and I do not like the color as well. So what can I do is, below this like pen option, there you can see three dots. So if you click on the three dots, it will open this settings menu. I can like change the thickness from here, then I can change the opacity as well, and I can change the color as well. Okay, and after that if I just come back and annotate, here you can see this is much better. Okay. Similarly, to highlight something, there is another option. This one is the highlighter. So this one, if I want to highlight something, I'll just select that and I'll just keep on highlighting like this. Okay, it will highlight anywhere wherever I put my marker. Okay, so here you can see it is highlighting. I can change the color of this as well. Let me just change it to something else. You can see these three dots over here. You can click on that and more options will open for you. So here you can see, you can basically choose any color from here. I'll choose this one and then I'll just come back. So now here you can see the highlighter color changed, and now when I come back and highlight this, you can see it is the color which I chose. Okay. Similarly, you can basically put a square or rectangle mark in some text. So for that, you have to click on this option like this square button over here. If I just try to highlight this, what I will do is I'll simply drag like this. I'll just drag like this. You can see here it basically highlighted this word with this rectangle around it. Okay. Also, I can erase these annotations as well. Like to erase this, I'll have to click on this. This is the eraser icon over here. If I just click like this, see you can see over here it is all erasing it, and I can erase anything from here. Like if I just do like this, it will erase everything. Okay, like a single stroke will erase the whole thing. Okay, like this. Okay, you can even change the like bold or thickness of this eraser as well. You can see over here. You can change the thickness, or you can duplicate it also, or you can remove it. Like if you remove this, it will go from this menu over here. So after that, you can add it from this plus icon as well. Okay. I've changed the thickness here. Now if I just drag this, you can see there is small circle present at the tip of my pointer. Okay, so it basically reduces the size of the eraser. Okay. Now if you want a line in your PDF, then what can I do is you can basically choose this option, this line option. You can draw a line from here. You can draw a line anywhere. And if you want a straight line, simply click on shift icon like the shift keyboard, like the shift key on your keyboard, and then you simply do like this, drag and drop. Okay, like I'll do a simple straight line. You can see here. If I click on shift, it will basically align it. Okay, you can draw arrows as well. Here you can see this is the arrow option. If I draw it like this, you can see over here it will draw arrow in any direction I want. Okay, you can see here in any direction it can draw arrows. Okay, you can change the color and the thickness as well for this. So you can basically insert picture from here. You can see if I click on the picture, it will show a like pop-up box. It will load and show. Here you can see it basically opened this Windows Explorer or the File Explorer for me. So here from here I can select the picture I want and insert it in my PDF. Let me just open this ShareX folder and I'll go to this screenshot and I'll just click this Drawboard PDF picture and open it. And now here you can see the picture is inserted in my PDF. I can resize them as well. If I just click like this and drag, you can see I can resize them. Okay, this is where you can insert your signature, or you can see a signature which is in a picture form. You can insert it like this. Okay, also you can enter signatures like manually also. Here you can see there is an option called signature. If I click on that, you can see this dialog box will pop up for you. So if you want to insert a signature, first you'll have to create one. Just click on this new signature option. Then you can create a signature over here. You can give names. I'll just give my name here. And company, I'll just put my YouTube channel's name only. And after that, you can like write your signature over here. Okay, like here you can see I'm able to write like this. So I'll just write a DP like this. Okay. Okay, so now when I am done with the signature, I can simply click on the save, and you can see over here the signature is saved here. I can simply select this signature. You can add multiple signatures, right? If I just add another one, let me just show you. I'll just write Aditi2 and company name. I'll write same thing and then write 2, and here I'll just write W. Okay. Suppose you did a mistake in the signature, you can simply clear that. It will go away. And once again, you can save that. Like if I write like this, and here I'll write the name. And after that, I'll go back here and write like this. I'll simply write W. Okay. And if I just save here, you will see you have two signatures. Okay, so you can basically save multiple signatures like this, and you can select that, and after selecting you can click on insert. Okay, here you can see the signature is inserted in my PDF. Okay, here I think it is visible to you. Let me just do it here in a plain area. Let me just show it to you here. It is a white area. So if I want to insert signature, I'll simply click on this option, and then I'll just do drag and drop here. Okay. If I do like that, it will basically open this pop-up for me. Then I can select that and click insert. You can see the signature is inserted. Okay. And to deselect this signature option, simply click on this hand option. Okay. Like click on this, it will go away. Okay. Also, you can highlight a text also. You can see this option from here. If I click on that and I'll do just this, you can see it is basically highlighting every word or every sentence that I went through. Okay. Now there is another quicker way to use these annotations. Here you can see the small circle over here. It is basically movable. You can see over here, I can move it anywhere. If I just keep it here and click on this circle option, you can see it will open this small menu for me. Okay, if I just click on this and do like whatever I want to do, it will basically do it. Like it is very handy from here. Okay, and you can see here if you just click on this three dot, there will be more options, and you can just go back like this. And if you select one option from here, you can see there is one small arrow here. So you can basically like change the color from here, you can change the opacity from here, you can change the thickness from here as well. Okay, this is another option you can use. Okay, if you just want to close this, simply click on this middle part, it will basically close. Okay, also you can basically collaborate this PDF like with any other people you want to share this, you can share that. You will just have to log in from here and then you can share it, like your PDF can be shared to other people. Okay, let me just log in and show it to you. I've logged in now. Here you can see these are the two options it's showing. So you can click on this upload and share option. Here you will see there are two options, like you can upload your file to the cloud or you can share a file to certain people. Okay, so if I just click on this share file, and here I'll enter anyone's email address and I can choose what he or she can be. He can be a reader also, or he or she can be a collaborator as well. Like if you give the collaborator access, he or she can mark up in your PDF file as well. Okay, and if I just click on this send invite option, then that person will receive your invitation, and if he or she accepts that, after that you will be able to annotate your PDF. Okay, so this app is very useful. You can try them and see how it works for you. And now let's move to the next application. So now the next application is PDFelement by Wondershare. Okay, if I just open the store here and show it to you. Let me just search it here and show it to you. It is Wondershare and then PDFelement. Okay, and when I click enter, you will see here this is the application I'm talking about. Okay, so I already showed you a PDF application that is used to annotate your PDF files, and in this application you can even edit your PDF files. Okay, like not only edit, you can do multiple things, like you can even convert a PDF file to another file extension, like you can convert PDF from like PDF to Excel file or Word file or any other file, you can convert it. Okay, and not only convert, like there are many other features. I'll just go through them one by one. Here you can see this is the application. You can install it from here. So after installing, it will come like the icon will be like this. You can see in my taskbar. If I just open that, so this is the interface. You can see this is the interface of this application, and all the recent files that you opened will be shown over here. Here are these quick tools you can use, and to open a PDF file you can simply click on this open PDF, and when you click this it will open this file explorer for you. You can choose the file like the PDF file from here and open it. So I'm not going to choose it from here, my already the file is over here. I'll simply double click on it and you can see it opened for me. So now you can see this is the interface of the PDF editing interface, you can see. Okay, Here you can see there are multiple options available here, and beside this PDF file you can see this small icon over here. Here there are multiple options you can convert, like you can see here you can convert from PDF to Word, then PDF to PPT or PowerPoint. You can see these are like these are saying this is already like you need to buy them, but you can like click on this continue trial and it will allow you to convert. You can see it is allowing you to convert. Okay, and let me just click cancel here, and you can see these are the options. You can convert a PDF to image as well. You can convert PDF to Excel as well. Let me just convert this to Excel and show it to you. So if I just write like this, if I just click on this continue trial, it will basically convert the file to Excel file. So let me just save it in my desktop only and then click save. It is converting, you can see. Now let me show you like how it will look after conversion. Okay. Here you can see it has given me this message that the conversion has been completed. Now I can locate the folder from here as well, or I can just directly go to my desktop location and open it from there. So I'll just open it from here only, open folder. From here I'll just double click on this file and it will open in the Excel application. You can see here it's opening. Here you can see it basically opened the file in my Excel. Let me just make it full screen. So here you can see it has created three sheets over here. This table 1, table 2 and this table 3 sheets. So this way you can basically convert files. Okay, and you can see it is converted only till 30, like 86 number, right? Like only 3 pages. Okay, like, let me show you in the PDF that this one thing. Show you in this PDFelement application. You can see here if I just scroll down, this is my page 1, this is page 2 and this is my page 3, and till page 3 it has been converted. Okay, so this is the disadvantages you can say of this trial version. If you want to like convert it like the whole PDF, you can simply buy that, or you can just go on and like convert the first 3 page and then delete them and then convert the rest of the 3 pages like that. Okay. Apart from converting, there are many other options here you can see. If I just go to my home tab, here you can see these are the options that are available to me. So I can highlight something, like if I just click on this highlight color, and you can see the square pointer is already there. So I just need to like drag like this and it will highlight the words. Okay, like it will highlight whatever I dragged. Okay, and after that you can see if I just want to unselect that, I'll just click again on this and I will be getting the cursor back. Okay, and similarly there are shapes and sizes also you can see here. You can choose any shape you want, like if you want to highlight some words with rectangles, so you can do like this, and you can change the shape as well. You can choose arrow sign from here and you can insert arrows as well. And then there are other options also, like you can create cloud. So if you just need to do like this and paste it, like it will create cloud for you. Okay, now if I want to just edit everything, okay, what I can do is I'll just select all from here, or if I want to edit a particular text, so that case I'll just select text. Or suppose if I want to edit this image or any other links, so I'll just click on that and it will be editable to me. Okay, like I will be able to edit that. Okay, let me just show it to you. If I just click text, so here you can see it basically highlighted this. Let me just scroll up a bit. So here you can see basically highlighted with this blue border. So now this text is editable. Okay, so if I just bring my cursor here and write something, you can see I can edit my PDF from here. Okay, and you can basically go back to the previous like previous work. You can just write Control Z and it will basically erase whatever you wrote. Okay. Similarly, if you go to this edit tab, you can see here there is an option called read. Okay, if you just click on this read like check mark, you can see my edit option is gone and I am again back in read mode. I can just read and cannot edit. Okay, this way you can if I just right click like check mark this box, it will become editable and all the files will become editable. Okay, if I just click this and then go back to my home tab and select suppose image. Okay, so suppose I want to edit this image, I can select this, so I can crop this, I can rotate this, I can replace the image as well. Okay, and you can see I can click on edit image over here It will open this this sidebar from where you can play with more features of the picture edit part. Okay, like picture edit settings. Okay. So now I can add text as well in my PDF. So for that, I'll just have to click this add text option and I have to put the cursor over here. You can see the cursor is blinking over here. I'll start my writing over here. It will add text inside my PDF. Okay. It will not like it will other things will not be editable, but I can add separate text inside the PDF. Okay. This application also has this OCR option. So it is basically if you click on this OCR option, it will load a screen and it will be able like you will be able to take picture like physical picture. Like suppose you have a document, printf document or like print document in your hand and you want to scan that. So in that case, you can use your webcam and then like take a picture of that and basically upload that here. It will basically scan the picture and like it will be in a PDF form. Okay. Also, you can use this crop option. Suppose if I want to crop the PDF file, okay, like if I just click on the crop option, you can see this pop-up box opened up for me. So I can just crop this also. See if I just do like this and click on apply. Just saying that this trial version and professional versions are available for you. You can buy this as well, or you can simply just click on this continue trial method. It will basically crop it for you. Okay, it will not stop you from cropping. Okay, so here you can see this page is being cropped. Okay, and I can go back to the previous thing, so I can just write Control Z and you can see I'm back with the previous settings, or you can see the previous whatever it was showing. Okay, then there are many other options. You can just go through them. Like with this application, you can basically do basic editing stuffs. Okay, and do not need to buy professional version of this. Okay, for that. So like if you want to convert files, it will convert 3 pages at a time, right? So you can basically convert that and like it will save your money by using this application. Okay. So here are the other options you can see. Here is an option called comment. So you can add comments. You can see there are many options. Like if I just click this call out option and I will just place it over here. So here you can see you can create call outs like call out text. You can add text over here. Hey, and like this, okay, and point it to some image or any other text like this. Okay, also you can put your stamp here. Also you can see here is a stamp option. These are some predefined stamps for you. You can just simply click on this and it will show the stamp. You can place it anywhere. Let me just put it over here and you can see here the stamp is being provided here. Also you can create stamp from here. Like you can create your new stamp here. You can select file and it will allow you to create stamps also. Okay, like these are the features you can make use of and avoid spending your money for basic functionality or basic editing of the PDF. Okay, so try this application and see like what are the reviews you have and let me know in the comment section if you like this application or not. Okay, so now let's move to the next application. Okay, so now the next application that you should have is called Microsoft To-Do. Okay, you can basically add task in that and schedule it for a certain period of time. And you can also like set timings for that. Like if you want to get reminded of that certain task, you can use that application to get reminders. And there are many other features you can use. So before that, let me just show you like what it looks like. So let me just type it over here. Microsoft. Okay, and if I click enter, here you will see it will show the icon here. So most of the time this application will be already installed in your machine. So you can just go to this start menu and search that application. If you do not find that application there, then you can just come back to this store and search it here and then install it. Okay, so this is the icon you can see. This is the application. So let me just open this. So here from here you can basically download it. Okay, so now let me open the application here and show it to you. So this is the icon you can see, like tick mark icon. Let me just open this. So first it will basically ask you for like the login, or you can say you have to need to sign up to the Microsoft account. So here you can see I have already signed into my account. So that is why it did not ask me. So now here you can see these are the few features that are available in your like this application. Okay, let me just make this full screen and show it to you. This is the icon, or you can say this is the UI. So here are few options you can see. First option is my day. So if you add any task to this my day, it will basically remind you every day, like every day it will refresh and it will remind you to do the particular work. Okay. So after that comes important, like you can keep whatever important task you want in this particular tab. Okay. And also notice one thing, like you can change the background of this task as well. Like you can see in this important part, it is something pinkish typing color, and in my day you can see over here it is something like this picture is given at the background. Okay, you can basically change the background and everything settings from here. You can see these are the three dots, you can click on that, and these are the themes, and this is the picture you want at the background. Okay, so here you can see my theme is this blue color and the picture is this one. Okay, if I can want, I can just change it to something like this, so you can see the background changed. And there are many other options here. You can see like there is an option to pin this application to start. If I use this, like if I click on this option, it will be pinned in my start menu. Okay, and there are many other options also. You can see here is this email list. Like you can save email addresses over here. Like if I click on this, you can see here it basically opened the Google Chrome for me. Here you can see that is because I set the default email, like the mail should be gone to this email address or whatever email address I want, that should be opened in this Google Chrome. That is why it basically opened this for me. But in your case, like there is a default email application like installed in your machine, that is called the mail application. So in your case, it will open that, like whatever default application is set for your emails, that will open. Okay, and from there you can basically fetch the emails and send tasks to the particular email address you want. Okay, so here you can see there are other tabs also, so let me just show it to you one by one and then I'll come back to the email part. So here you can see these are, it is saying planned, that is because I set a reminder for this task. Okay, so that is why it is showing in this planned section. And then you can see there is a section called assigned to me. So the person, or you can say any other person who is using this Microsoft To Do, what he or she can do is he or she can assign task to me. Okay, that task will be appearing on this tab. Okay, and then there is this task tab over here. So I can add task over here. Like I can type like this, anything I can type, like let me just type test here and click enter. Now you can see task is added in this task section. Okay, similarly there is this section as well. Here you can see these are the two tasks that is already there in my case. So this is the default task, like which is created on default, and this is the task I created. Like this is the task with task name is new video upload, and these are the tasks inside the main task, you can say. So these are the steps I need to complete. Okay, so once this tasks are completed, I can simply like click on this circle over here, and you can see it will move the task to this completed part. Okay, and then this sound will appear. Okay, and also if I just click on this task, like not on this icon, like not on this circle, if I just click here, then you will see this will open, like this bar will open, sidebar. Okay, and here you can do multiple things. Okay, like you can add a task to my day from here. So what it will do is it will basically add this task to this my day. What it will happen is that if you add this to my day, it will basically refresh the task every day. Okay, and then you can set reminder from here. You can set any time and anything, then you can get reminder of a task. Okay, and also here you can see you can repeat a task. If you click on this, it will basically show these options, like when you want to get repetition of this reminders. Okay, and this is the option I was telling about. If you click on this assign to option, if I just click on create invitation link, here you can get this a link from here, and you can just simply click on this copy link, or you can directly share from here. Okay, what it will do is it will basically allow you to share this link. This is the mail application. So if I click on this, it will basically fetch all the details, like it will open this mail application, you can see here, and from here I can send an invitation. Okay, so I'm just closing it for now. Let me just open this to do only. And then here you can see all the members that will be listed over here who have the task assigned. Okay, and then I'll just close it. So this is where this email option comes. That is why I was telling you in this first part here, when I was showing you this. Here you had this option for email, right? So you can like add email list over here. Then you can print the list as well. So if I just click on print, you can see this printer will open. So here whatever tasks will be there in this my day section, all will be appearing over here, and then you can just print that. Okay, like you can select which one you want to print, like if you want to print to PDF, or if you want to print this to OneNote, like you can see this option OneNote, then Wondershare PDF element, and there are many other options you can choose from. Okay, and after that you can click on this print option and it will basically print. Okay, now one more thing I want to show you, that is when I click on this, like if I click this, you can see there is another option here saying add step. Okay, so you can basically add sub steps to this task. Okay, so if I just click on here, I'll just write here task 1 and click enter. You can see one task is added, like one subtask, or here you can see it is showing the count also. And if I add another task here, task 2 and enter, and suppose my task 1 is completed, so I'll just click on this arrow, like this circle here, and you can see the number will also be updated. Okay, so let me just click this, and you can see 1 of 2. Okay, this is how you can basically use this to do application. So we will like this application, and you will not forget a task to do. Okay, so now let's move to the next application. The next application is called Notepads. Okay, like there is already a default Notepad application installed in your Windows machine. So with that, you can write small notes in that. But there is one problem in that you cannot like open multiple tabs in that. Okay, and there is like limited resources you can use. Okay, like you cannot like copy paste a line with a single shortcut, and you need to just copy the whole thing and then use Control V to paste it. There are many other things that is not suitable, like it basically reduces the productivity of the work. Okay, for that there is another app called Notepads. Okay, like there is a S over there, so let me just write it over here, Notepads, and click enter. Then you can see the icon over here. So this is the application I was talking about. This is the icon, and if I just open this, you can see this is how it looks. This is the interface of the notepad. Now let me show you in the app. So let me just open this. So here you can see this is the application interface. So it has this cool UI. You can see the like the background is you can do blur effect in the background. Okay, and you can write over here anything here like this. And if you click Control S, it will basically save this file to the location you want. Okay, so here you can see there is the option to create multiple tabs here. Okay, and you can open multiple tabs over here. And in case of the notepad that is available in the Windows by default, in that case you cannot like open tabs like this. Like it is very handy if it like opens like this. But in case of the default one, you need to like open another window for that, right? So this is the problem I was facing when I was trying to take notes, and I have to open multiple windows for taking notes, right? That was very hectic. And to open a tab, you can simply click on Control T, and it will open a new tab over here. Okay, so I just close this for now. And also you can like go through the tabs by using the shortcut key only, like using the keyboard only. Like you can use Control Tab, then you can see I'm back in the first tab. Okay, and if I just keep on clicking on Control Tab, I'll just go one by one all the tabs. Okay, now if I just click Control Shift Tab, you can see it is taking me to the previous tab. Okay, it's very useful. You can see if you like, if your mouse is not working or your screen is stuck, that time you can use your keyboard to hover over, or you can say go back to a certain tab. Okay, also there are many shortcuts, like suppose I've written something over here, like I've written many long line of code or something, and I want to copy everything. Okay, so everything, the same line of code again and again. So what I can do is I can simply select that. I'll just write Control A, and then I'll just write Control D. Okay, you can see here it pasted the same thing in the same line. Okay, and suppose I want to like paste this whole line at the next line. Okay, what can I do is I can simply click the cursor over here and write Control D. So you can see it basically pasted everything what was written at the top of the line, or you can see at the previous line. Okay, this is very handy. You can see over here, you cannot do this in the default Notepads app. Also notice one thing, like if I just minimize, or you can say resize this window, the words are getting adjusted. Okay, like there is a option called word wrap. Okay, so this feature is also not available in case of the default one. So if I just do like this, resize the window, the sentences or everything written over here will get adjusted. Okay, and also I can set some settings over here. So to change the settings, I can simply go to this option here, and here at the down you can see this settings option, and there are many other options also here. You can see I can create new new tab with this control N, then I can open new window with this control shift N, then I can open a file also, and there are many other options. You can see I can also find something inside the document, then I can replace them. I can use this compact overlay. Suppose I do not want this window be to this big. Okay, so what can I do is I can simply right click on this, and I'll click on compact overlay, and here you can see it is showing in a compact manner. Okay, this is very useful. And let me just go back to my previous view, and here if I go back to the settings part, so here you can see I can print this also. Okay, if I just click on settings, or I can use the F1 function key also, you can see there are many settings you can change from here. The word wrap settings, if it is turned off, like if it is turned off, then I can resize the window, but it will not adjust the sentences there. Okay, so that is why you can just turn it on, and it will check the spellings as well here. Okay, then you can change the font size and the style as well. Like you can change the font style from here. Okay, so suppose there is a link in your file, then what you can do is you can simply select that, and you can basically search in the Google as well. So here you can see you can select the search engine from here. It will go to that it will go to that Google or Bing or any other search engine and search it from there. Okay. Then there is another setting called personalization. So here you can this is where I can change the background. So here you can see my background opacity is 45%. So I can just increase that. Then you can see it will become black over here. If I just go to 0, it will be blurred like this. Okay, so you can basically play with this and customize it however you want. You can change the theme color as well. Like suppose I'm selecting this. Suppose I'm selecting this. You can see this is coloring like blue color. So you can basically change this color as well. So you can do whatever you want to do. Okay. Also, I was telling you about the search, like Google search engine, right? So you can search a certain website from here. If I just write my channel's name over here, that is webtutsaditi, and select this and then right click on it, you will see the option here, search in web. Okay, if I just click on search in web option, you will see it will open this browser window for me, and it will search in Google. Okay, so you can see the URL over here. It basically searched in Google my website name over here. Okay, and it is showing all the details of the search over here. Okay, so this is how you can use this search engine from this Microsoft Notepad. Okay, also there is another option, that is you can share your file from here. Like if you just right click over here, you will get this share option from here. From here you can choose whatever application you want to share it from. This is how you can basically share whatever you are typing or whatever you are writing over here across any other email ID or any other devices. Okay, now let's move to the next application. So now the next application is called Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, this is basically useful to the teachers, or suppose you are giving some presentation and all, or teaching to students online, then this application will be very helpful to you. I'll just show the application in the Microsoft Store. So just type over here Microsoft Whiteboard. Let me just type it over here, Microsoft and then Whiteboard. Okay, so when I click enter, it will show the application icon over here. You can see this is the application I was talking about. So when you click this, like open this, you'll get this option to download from here, and you can see over here this is a collaborative digital canvas. Okay, so what you can do is I can open the application first and then I'll show it to you. When I open this, it will show something like this. But before that, if you are not logged into your Microsoft account, then it might ask you to log in. So first log into the account. Here you can see I'm already logged in, which did not ask me again. Now to create a whiteboard, you just need to click on this new whiteboard, this option over here. So it will basically create a whiteboard for you. This is how the interface looks like, and here you can see these are some options you can like use them. Like first one is, you can see, is a pen. If I click on that and then come to this board, I am able to write or draw anything on this canvas. Okay. And also notice one thing, suppose I want to draw some square, like square shape, okay, and you can see these lines are very crooked over here, and if I just draw like this, you can see it automatically changed to a perfect square. Okay. And similarly, I can draw a circle also. Suppose I am drawing like this, sorry, this is not a circle. Let me just draw a circle here, and you will see it will be converted to a perfect circle. Okay. And same goes with triangle as well, and even with rectangle. Okay. Now I can change the thickness of this pen also. If I click on that, you will see this is a thickness bar. If I decrease it or if I want to increase it more, I can increase that. I also change the color as well. So suppose I am choosing this dark red color, then I'm going back to the canvas, and you can see the thickness and the color is also changed. Okay. And also you notice one thing over here, like there are options like how should the lines go, like if it will be a straight line or it will be a arrow or both side arrow. So just click on this, and when you like draw something like this, let me just show you, you will see this arrow mark will already, like, it will come automatically. Okay. And similarly, if you want both sides arrow, then you can just like click on this, and when you come to the canvas and draw a line, you will see the arrow head will be on the both side. Okay. And this is another option. This is for a pen in the red color. So if I just click that and draw like this, you will see it will like it is drawing both side arrow because it is selected in that way. Okay. And there are many other options you can choose from here. This option is for Galaxy Pen. So if I just click on that and like draw here, you will see it is like showing some galaxy like galaxy output over here. Okay. And similarly, here is this like highlighter option also. Like if I want to highlight something, I'll just use this one. I can highlight it like this. You can see over here. I can do coloring with this like this. Okay. And also there is eraser option. Like if you want to erase everything from here, you can choose this option like eraser option. And when you like second time click that, you will see this first option will be chosen for you. Okay, like erase partial stroke. So if that is chosen, then let me just show you what will happen. Like it will basically erase that part only which I am going through. Okay, like wherever I am taking the cursor, like the mouse pointer, it will erase that part only. Okay. And if I just click again and select the second option now, and then come back to the canvas and move my mouse pointer, you will see it will delete the whole thing. Okay. Wherever I'm going, the mouse pointer is going, it is basically deleting the whole thing. Okay. Here you can see it basically deleted everything. Okay. So this is how this works. Also, there is another option called ruler. If you basically click on that, it will basically insert a ruler in your canvas. And using this, if I just open this pen and suppose let me choose like the single line over here, and then let me just draw something, you will see it will draw a straight line. Okay, like the ruler will guide the line. Okay, so if you can see over here, it is basically marking this like it is making a straight line. Okay. So not only you can just like draw manually from here, you can even insert text, notes, shaped or reactions, also images and documents. And also there is another option called templates. So I just click on this template and you can see over here, there are multiple options available. Suppose I want to do some problem solving. So I just click on that and let me just choose this one. And when I choose that, you will see this is the thing. It is like it is something like a square shaped, you can see over here in the middle. I'll just drop that over here, and you can see it basically created a template for me. Okay, so I can resize this, I can resize it like this, and here I can edit this as well. Also there is a lock option, like you can lock this diagram over here. So here you can see these are the three options it's showing. You can delete this whole diagram, or you can copy this, or you can like click on this and you will get a lock option over here. Okay, if I just click on lock, it will basically lock this diagram and will not let me delete, or like it will not let me move. Okay, suppose if I want to edit this diagram, so what I can do is I can simply click on this and you will see this option like edit text. You can change the color, you can delete this part also, or you can copy, or you can like replace image or anything else. Okay, so there are more options you can see. You can send the part of the image at the back, like you can create layers with this. Okay, and if I want to edit, I'll just click on this edit text, and then I'll be like, you can see the cursor is blinking over here. Can simply edit this and let me write something test. Okay, and click enter. You can go to the next line and then write something A, B, C, D, something like that. Okay, so this is basically a template created for you. You can basically search more templates from here. There are many other options also, you can search from there. And also there are other options, like suppose you want to insert an image, then what you can do is you can select on this image option, and you can like, it will open the file explorer for you, and from there you can like insert an image. Okay, so here you can see it is opening the file explorer. I'm not inserting it right now, I'll just close this for now. And also you can see I can insert notes here. If I click the notes, it will take me to this part, and if I click this one, what it will do is it will basically allow me to paste the note here. Okay, so let me write here. First I'll have to click on this edit text. After that I'll need to write something like this. You can see it's very small over here. I can make it large also, so here you can see. Okay, so this was all about like how you can edit in this canvas, right? So there is another cool feature of this, that is you can like collaborate with others also. Okay, like here you can see this is the share option over here. If you just click on that share option, it will open this sidebar for you. Okay, now if we just turn this on, like share link option, you will get a link to copy. Okay, if you just click that copy link will be copied. Okay, and after that you can send this link to anybody, and they will be able to access your like this board, and they can also contribute in your drawing or whatever you are teaching. Okay, and also whatever you have written over here or drawn over here, you can export them. Like here you can see this gear icon, so click on that, and here you will see an option called export image. Okay, so you will basically click on that and it will basically like export it as an image. Okay, not exporting it right now. I'll just click on cancel here, and after that there is another option here. You can see like at the starting of this application part, so I was showing you that whatever I'm drawing, like suppose I want to draw a shape, then I'm just drawing it randomly, like manually, right? And the lines were all crooked and all, but it was like automatically changing it to a perfect shape, right? That is because of this option. Here you can see enhanced shapes. It is turned on for me. That is why I was able to turn shapes into a perfect one. Okay. Also, you can format the background over here. You can see if I click on this, you can change the background color. Here you can see it is all changed. Then you can give dots over here, like background will be dotted. Then the square option is also there. Like there are many options, you can go and play around with it. Okay. Also, if you want to rename this board, you can simply come to this option, and here you can edit this name of this board. Let me just write it as test 1, and then click on this tick mark like button. You can see the name is changed. Okay. Now, if you want to create another board, or you can see another canvas, you can simply click on this home button. It will take you to the home screen, like where it was started. And here you will find all the canvases that you made. You can see I made this canvas, so it is showing over here. And from here you can create another canvas. Okay. Also, if you want to rename this, you can choose from here also. There is option you can rename from here, or you can basically delete this also. Okay. So if you just click on this leave option, it will delete this canvas for you. Okay. I hope this was clear to you. Now let's move to the next application. So now the next application is called Files app. Okay, so Files app is basically similar to, you can say, the Windows File Explorer. So here you can see this is the Windows File Explorer that I have. So in this everything is good except like you can see over here, like if I want to open a file or a folder, then like there is only one tab. Okay, suppose I am opening this desktop folder. Here you can, there is no tab over here. Like if I want to go back to another drive, suppose I want to go back to this drive and then open another folder from here, then to go back to the desktop folder, I'll have to again like click this arrow button and then go back and then I'll get to the previous folder, right? Suppose I want to open two folders side by side. In that case, I cannot open it over here. For that, I have to like open another window, like another file explorer window, and there I'll have to like keep it side by side and then work with it, right? So this is a problem in this Windows File Explorer. Okay. So for that, I have an app which is called Files app. Okay. So here you can see if I just go to the store and then I'll just search there Files app. Okay, this is the name of the application, and then click enter. Here you will see the icon will show up. Let me just wait for a few seconds. This is the Files app I am talking about. Okay, so you can see the icon over here like yellow and blue icon. So this is the application. So if you download this, what will happen is, let me just show you the Files app, let me just show you the interface of this Files app. This is the icon over here. So this is the interface you can see. It is quite similar to the file explorer that we have in the Windows. Okay. So let me just make this full screen. So you can see over here, everything is similar to the file explorer that we have. You can see all the drives are visible over here. The size of the drives are also visible. Then all the folders are given over here. Then you can add folders to the favorites. Like you can see over here, if I open this file explorer, here also you have this favorites. Like it is not favorites, it's named as quick access. And then this is the PC, and this PC has all the folders and drives over here. Then at the bottom it has network drives and other drives as well. So this Files app is similar to this only. Okay. Also you can customize it according to your choice. Here you can see you have this gear icon over here, settings icon. When you click on that, you will have multiple options. So here you can see in this appearance tab, you can choose a color theme for your for this application. Mine is default. You can choose light theme also. You can say this will look like this, and you can choose dark theme as well. So it will go like this dark. Okay. So I'll just make it default only. And then you have these custom themes as well. You can just go and customize them whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you can customize it. You can like change the sidebar as well, like whatever you want in sidebar, you can turn them on from here. Okay, and then there is this preferences tab. Here you can see like what all you want for your files and folders. Like if you click on this files and folders, you can see there are multiple options here. Like if you want to show the confirmation when you want to delete a file, so if you keep turned on this, then it will basically show a pop-up whenever you want to delete a file. Okay, then you can see over here there is other options as well, like what you want to do. Like if you want to click single click, then the file should open or not, or it should open with double click or not. So by default you will able to open like the folders and files with double click. Okay, and everything is there. You can just go through them and customize it according to your choice. Okay, also there is this cool feature here. You can see like display the vertical tab flyout on the title bar. I'll just show you what is this. It is turned on for me. You can see over here. If I just close this now and let me just show you. So here you can see this is the tab. Okay, this is the tab bar, and here you can see if I just click on this, it will basically open another tab for me. Suppose I'm opening my desktop location in this home tab, like the first tab, and in my the second tab, let me open suppose documents. Okay, so here you can see you can basically open other folders in the same window. Okay, also notice one thing, like if you want to see the file contents, like file contents side by side, you can do that as well. Okay, so let me just show it to you. Suppose I want to see ShareX file contents in this same window. Okay, what I can do is I can simply click on that and then right click on that. Okay, and then there is an option called open in secondary pane. Okay, so if I just click on that, you will see there will be a division over here, and here you can see all the files and folders that is present inside this ShareX folder. Okay, when I want to open the screenshot folder, here you can see It is like you can open them in the same tab itself. Okay, and all the images showing over here. Okay, and also there is another cool feature over here. You can see, like suppose I am clicking on this image, it will preview over here. Okay, I can just increase the size. So here you can see, you can preview the image as well. Like not only the image, you can preview anything. Like you can preview files. Like suppose if I just click this PDF element folder, you can see you can preview this folder as well. Okay, and you can even preview videos and songs as well. Okay, so this is very useful, and it is also, you can see over here, this is this box icon over here. So these, if you just click on this, it will show all the tabs that are open. Okay, from here only you can directly click on that and it will take you to that tab. Okay, suppose I am clicking on this desktop, you can see I am back in this desktop tab. Okay, also you can see over here are more options you can use. You can see first option is like select option. Like if I just click on this, you will get all these options here. If I just click on multi select, you will see these check boxes over here, so you can basically select them and do whatever you want to do with them. Like if you want to delete them, you can simply click on this delete option. If you want to cut them, you can select this, or if you want to copy, you can select this. If you want to create new files or folders, you can use this, like this icon over here. Okay, and this I button is for checking the properties of the file or a folder. Okay, so these are the options you can do with this. And also there is another option, this is the sorting option. If you just click on this, you will be able to sort the folders and files from here. Okay, and you can even change the layout of this file folders. For that you need to click on this layout option. Then you can choose styles, then it will show as styles here, you can see. And if you choose small icons, then you can see it is showing as small icons, and then medium icons, large icons, and even in columns. Okay, this is the column. This is how you can like customize your settings and see how you want it. I quite like this application. Like it is better than this file explorer that we have in our Windows system as default. Okay, you can try them and see how it works for you. Also you can see over here this green tick mark. So it is basically status tick mark. Like suppose you want to delete a file. Okay, suppose I want to delete this file. Then what I can do is I can simply click on this delete button. And notice one thing, when I click on delete button, here is another option called permanently delete. Okay, if I tick mark this, it will basically delete it permanently. It will not store in the recycle bin. Okay, if I just click delete, you will notice here there is one, you can see the like there were one written over there, and after that it just like tick marked like this green tick. Okay, so it is basically status. If I click on this, you will see all the status is showing over here. Like if a file is deleted, it will show over here. If a file is like copied or moved somewhere, it will show over here. So you can basically check the status of a current task. Okay, this is what this button does over here. Okay, you can even clear all the tasks from here. So I'll just like clear all. You can see all are gone. You can just try this application and see how it works for you. Now let's move to the next application. Now the next application is called QuickLook. Okay, so suppose you want to like preview a file. Okay, like I showed you already, like you can using this files app, you can preview a file in the sidebar, right? So let me just show you an example. Suppose I'm opening this C drive of mine, and here I want to preview a file. Okay, what I can do is I can simply open this folder, and suppose I want to preview this file. Okay, you can preview the file at the side, right? But what if you want to see the image at the full screen? Okay, then what you will do, you will basically open this file, right? I'm showing a picture file over here, right? But suppose you want to see a file which has long lines of code, or you want to see a file like PDF files or like JavaScript or Python files, all that files, those files you will be able to preview over here, but it will be better to see in a full screen mode, right? In that case, what you will do is you will simply click on this, like you will double click on it and it will open in an app, right? If I just double click on this, so it will basically open in my Photos app, right? So here you can see this is the Photos app. So if I just click OK, it will open this file in the application, correct? But suppose you do not want to open an application, like some application takes time to load, right? So here you can see it is taking time to load. So after that, it will be visible to you. The application will be open. Okay. In that case, this QuickLook application comes in hand. Okay, suppose let me just close this and show you in the store, like the Microsoft Store. If you just type here QuickLook and click enter, you can see this is the application I'm talking about. Okay? So this is the icon of this application. So if I just open this application, I already installed it. So let me just show it to you. You will not get the application icon over here, but in my task manager or the system tray, here you can see this is the application. Okay, so this is the icon over here. You can see quick look. It is showing the version as well, like version 3.7.1. Once you download this application, you can search it over here. Let me just show it to you. If I just search it over here, like quick look, here you can see the application over here. If you just click open over here, it will open and it will show a dialog box. Okay, here you can see it is saying quick look enables quick previewing of certain type of files by pressing the space bar while it is highlighted. Okay, once you download it, you will just have to go to this search bar over here, like Windows search pane, and type that quick look. And once you open that, you will basically get like this pop-up. So it will mean that the quick look will run in the background. Okay, now what you need to do is let me just close this pop-up. You'll simply need to click on this file and then click the space bar. Okay, here you can see it did not take any time, like it opened instantly. Okay, like it opened the file instantly in a separate window over here. Okay, and you can see it is not a photos app, it is a separate window you can see over here. Let me just open another file, like let me open a PDF or any other file and show it to you. Let me just go to this folder here, and from here let me just go to this folder. I had these files over here, so let me just open it. Suppose I want to view this PDF file. Okay, so for that I'll just select this file and then click space bar. Okay, and once I click space bar, you will see it is loading and it instantly opened the PDF file for you. Okay, so this is the way you can just like preview or open the file instead of opening it in any other app. Okay, and it does not take much time to open. Okay, this is a plus point over here. Also here you can see these are multiple options available here. Like you can even share this file from here. Like if I click on this icon, like Microsoft sharing option will come up. Like this is the option here you can see. Now here you can see these are the options available to share. Like I can share this file through email or OneNote or even Drawboard PDF. Okay, so this is the way you can share this file also. And there are multi options also. You can see you can even like full screen this. Like you can see this icon over here. If I click on that, it will basically become full screen. This is the use of this quick look application. Okay, so now let's move to the next application. Let me just close this. The next application is called SnipDo. Okay, so SnipDo is nothing but you can see. Let me just show you first the application, like how it looks. If I just search here SnipDo and click enter, you can see this is the application. Okay, like this green icon over here. So this is the application. You can install it from here, and after that it will basically run at the background. Okay, but I have pinned this application over here on my taskbar. You can see over here, but it will run in a background as well. Here you can see in my system tray, the SnipDo application is running. Okay, if I just open something, let me just open this Edge browser for you. So now let me just search something over here. Let me just search my channel only. Let me just go to the YouTube only. Let me just show you how this SnipDo work. So now suppose I want to copy text from here. Okay, suppose I want to copy this whole text. What I will do is I'll simply like drag this, like select this like this. And then to copy, either I will use like keyboard shortcut, which is Control C, or I'll just right click on it. And then I'll get this copy option, then copy link option, and other options I'll get. Okay, this way I can copy it. But this SnipDo, what it does is, you can see over here, when I just clicked, like when I selected this whole text, you can see this small bar over here. It basically shows this bar, like whenever you will select something, or if I double click on a certain word or sentence, that time it will show up like this. Okay, and you can see there are multiple options. Like there is not only cut, copy, paste option, there are multiple options as well. You can see it has select all, then it has append option, search option, then you can share also. Okay, this is what this SnipDo application do. Okay, so let me just show you the SnipDo, like how it looks. Okay, so if I just open this application from here, you can see this is the interface of the SnipDo application. Let me just make it full screen over here. So here you can see it is like there are multiple options you can select from. Like whenever I am double clicking on something, you can see my like this option is checked for me. If I double click on something, this SnipDo tool will work. It will show up that bar, like pop-up bar. And if I just drag a mouse, then also it will show. If I click Control C or Control X or Control A or anything, like whichever is tick mark over here, if I do any of these tasks, it will basically pop up that SnipDo bar over there. Okay, and in that bar, whatever I want to add, I can add. Like here you can see these are multiple options that are present in my bar. So you just now saw that cut, copy, paste, these three options were there. Then the select all option was there. Then append was there. And then open link and other options were also there. Like I can add these also. Okay. Here you can see there are like other extensions here. Then you can go to this extensions tab. You can add extensions over here. Then you can download extensions from this extension store from here. Okay. This extension store has two parts. First one is this text extension, and then there is insertion extensions. These are some features of this tool. Okay, there are many other tools over here, like you can create hotkey for certain functionalities. Okay, there are other options also. You can just go through there. Like these are the design and appearance options, like how you want the like pop-up bar to look like. You can do all of these things with these options here. You can see here the extension list is loaded. Like these are the text extensions and these are the insertion extensions. You can just like install any one of them. Like if you want to like install this date extension, you can simply click on this install, and after that you can just simply go to this insertion extensions or text extensions and add it from there. Okay, and you can also like move the styles. Like if you want this select all to go at the top, you can move it like this. Okay, so you can just customize it according to your choice. So this is very helpful. You can go through all the options available over here and let me know how you liked it or not. Okay, so now let's move to the next application. Okay, let me just close this application. Okay, so now the next application is called Your Phone. Okay, this is the application which you can use to basically use your phone in your laptop. Okay, laptop or computer. You can use your phone from laptop only. Okay, so let me just show you how it looks like. So Your Phone also is like pre-installed with the Windows only. If you do not find that Your Phone app in your application menu, then you can simply search it over here. The name is Your Phone. Okay, let me just click enter, then I'll show you the icon here. So this is the application you can see over here. This is the icon of this application. So what it does is basically, let me just show you the application. So I have the application on my taskbar. So I'll just click on that. And here you will be able to see, like it will first ask for like your login, like your Microsoft account login. But you have already logged in, then it will not ask for that. And after that, it will take you to the process of how you can link your phone with the computer. Okay, this is the interface of the application you can see over here. You need to just click on this get started option over here. So I'm just clicking on that, and after that it will ask you to sign in. Okay, so it is saying that I'm already signed in to my Microsoft account, so that is why I can just simply click on continue, or you can simply click sign in with another account and you can sign in to the Microsoft account. I'll just click continue over here. After clicking on continue, it will take you to this page, and here you can see it is written that on your Android phone you need to go to this web address. Okay, simply open your Google Chrome or any other web browser if you have. There you have to type this. Okay, you can follow the screen that is showing on the left, like this is my mobile screen. You can just follow the steps from there. You'll have to like go to this address, and after that it will take you to the store where from you can download the application which is named as link to Windows. Okay, you'll have to just click on the install button and it will install in your mobile phone, like in your Android phone. Okay, so after it is installed, click on open, or you can directly open the application from your apps, and after that click on link your phone and PC. Okay, After clicking on this option, there will be an option called continue. So click on that continue option. Then it will basically ask you for permissions. So give all the permissions that it requires. After you give all the permissions, there will be a scanner opened for you, like in the application itself. So what you need to do is you will simply come to this like in your laptop and check mark this box. Okay, like you have to check mark this. I have the link to Windows app ready. Okay. You can simply pair manually also, or you can pair with QR code as well. Okay. So what it will do is if you click pair with QR code, it will generate a QR code over here. Okay. So you can see in my like mobile screen also that it is showing like how you can scan the QR code from this laptop. Okay. This is the pop-up it will show. You can see over here. You need to scan this QR code, okay? And after the scanning is done, like it will show in your mobile like pairing with PC, something like that. Wait for the PC to connect. Click on this done option. Then you can see this like this will show like you are all set. Let's click on this continue option. Now this is the interface it will come. Just click on get started over here. Here you can see these are the options you will be able to like control with your PC. Okay, like you can view photos from here, you can make a call, you can even send text messages and like give replies to them. Okay, so I'll just click skip here. I'll just skip this as well. Okay, so this is the UI you can see, and you can like do the settings for your phone with whatever you want to control in your laptop. You can do the settings from here. Here you can see it is saying it is offline. That is because my phone is not connected to the internet. So I just have to connect it. So here you can see it is showing the option as well. Then you need to go to the settings and then like click on this sync over mobile data option. Okay. Open the link to Windows application and then go to settings. And after that, you will find an option called sync over mobile data. Turn that on if it is disabled for you. Just click on that. It will turn on. And after that, you can see over here, it is shown connected. Okay. You can see my battery percentage as well. You can see other details also. Like you can see my wallpaper as well. This is my wallpaper. Okay. So here you can like, this is the settings part. So you can control whatever you want to receive notification about in the laptop. And here you can see you can connect more than one device. Okay. Here you can see it is only one device is connected. You can simply click on this option and other devices will also be connected. Okay. Here you can see these are my notification, all the notification that I have currently on my phone. It is showing over here. Okay, so you can basically control these as well. Like suppose you want to give reply to this mail, then you can do one thing like click on this reply. And once you click reply, it will like ask for permission in your phone. Okay, so if you just click on yes, you need to give the permission to control from this laptop. Once you give the permission, you just need to reopen this application, and after that you will be able to reply from here. Okay, also you can customize this notification area as well, like what notification you want to receive and you do not want to receive. You can just jot it down. You can simply click on this icon like three dots over here, and then you will get this customize option. Click on that. So here you will see all the apps that are present in your mobile device. Okay, so you can basically like turn this on or off. That way it will be showing the notification of a particular app in this particular section, or it will be turned off. Okay, so these are the few options. You can like turn them on or off according to your need. And after that, you can see over here in personalization. Here you can set wallpaper also. You can see here my wallpaper is the current background of my like Android whatever wallpaper I have. That is the current background of this. You can see over here in your notification area. And then you can choose a theme as well. Like you can choose light theme or you can choose a dark theme or whatever you want. Okay. And you can see these are few options available here. Like if you just click this first option, it will be in do not disturb mode. You will not get notification or calls or anything. Okay. And then you have this Bluetooth option as well. You can turn your Bluetooth from here as well. Like if you click on this option, it will get turned on your phone. Okay. You can like mute the sound or keep it loud or whatever you want to do. You can do with this loud. Like this is the volume option. With this you can do, and this is the media option. Like if you want to play some audio or something like that, for that you can just go and click on this option. Okay, and you can like clear all the notifications from here as well. Like you can clear it one by one also, or you can simply like do clear all. Okay, it will all the notification will go from here as well as from their phone. Okay, and after that you can see here are three sections given over here, like three tabs. The first tab is for calls. If I click over here, it will like you can receive calls from here and you can make calls also. Okay. So if I just click here like get started, it will like sync the calls from the phone. Okay. So here you can see it is saying connect your phone and PC. It is basically trying to connect. Now here you can see the calls on my phone is connected here. Okay, here you will be able to see the call details, and here you will be able to type the number and basically call a person if you want. Okay, and if some call is coming to your phone, you can also pick that up using your laptop. Okay, this is the beauty of this application. Also there is another tab which is called messages. In this section all your messages will be shown from your phone, and also you can simply click on any message and you can reply to that as well. Okay, so here you can see this is my reply screen. So this is the message screen over here, and here you can simply type your message and send it. Okay, and also there is another interesting thing in this application, that is the third tab is for photos. So here you can see these are all the photos that are present in my mobile phone. I know these are all the screenshots that I've taken. Okay, so let's ignore that. But the interesting part here is you can see, let me just minimize this screen. And after that, let me just drag this a little bit over here. And now what you can do is you can select this image, like you can view this image as well. If you click on it, you'll be able to view this. Okay, you can like view other images also, like going through this. Okay, just click on back to photos, and after that you can simply click this image and drag and drop on your PC as well. Okay, so here you can see I'm getting this copy option. I'll just drag it there, and here you can see my phone images is available in my laptop. Okay, so this is that easy. Okay, also when I open this image, you can see over here I can simply open and edit this image. Okay, like in my photos editor it will be opening, and then there are other options also, like I can delete an image from here as well. Okay, I'll just close this editor for now. So there is sharing option available over here, so you can basically share photos from here as well. And also note one thing, like whatever changes you make over here, it will be affected in your mobile phone as well. Okay, so if I just delete this photo from here, it will be deleted from your phone as well. Okay, so this was all about this application. Like you can see the application name here is phone link, but in the application store or the Microsoft store you will find it as your phone. Okay, I hope you liked these applications that I showed you, like the most important 10 applications that you must have in your Windows machine. Okay, let me know in the comment section that if you like these applications or not, and if I missed out any application, you can simply comment that application name in the comment section, and I'll go through that and see if I like that application or not. And if I like it, I'll surely make a video on that as well. And also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It basically motivates me to make more such videos. Okay, I'll be back again with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.